Hi everybody, welcome to Epcot, to our little private garden here at the Flower and Garden Festival. I love what they did here. They have like this whole little setup where you can have your little garden. I love it. So this is our first day here for us at the Flower and Garden Festival. That started like 3-4 days ago. So we'll take you along. It is a long festival. It ends June 1st. So we will be back. This will not give you a complete overview, but at least you'll see a bit. And let's hope that the sun comes out and we enjoy this day. Let's do it. And Flower and Garden Festival is especially known for his many awesome looking topiaries. Look at these ones. And these ones of Mickey and Minnie. And a giant Goofy. Looks great. And of course, the lush flower gardens. And they also have a butterfly garden. Let's go check it out. That was the first time that we did that. That was really nice to see all those butterflies. It's also the first time that we're here during Flower and Garden. You know, that's one of the things that living here makes so much easier, that you can go and enjoy every festival. You can go and get every magnet. That makes it pretty cool. Something that isn't that cool and even a bit worrying is the coronavirus that's going around the world right now. Still, although half of the Disney parks are closed right now, we do still come back here. It's a thing of safety and precautions. Just like wash your hands, disinfect them, just watch out what you do. I mean, as long as this place stays open, I guess they know what they're doing. And we'll be coming back. I am skipping on the fingerprint though. Like if you just scan the bands and you show the ID, you should be good. So no fingerprints for me right now. And of course, like with every festival, there's food and drinks involved. Good for us. You can find these things throughout the park. And even for the kids that don't want any food or drinks, there's a lot of fun things to do. And some nice seating areas as well. There you go. Thank you. So this is this. And here are our grilled baby vegetables with hummus and red pepper coulis. I think that's that. Let's try it out. Hey guys, you know that I never pixie dust everything on there. I went back to get this because this was our first attempt that we got, and I said like there's things missing. It's not everything is here. This is what it's supposed to be. We got to keep the second one, which I appreciate. It's nice, but like be sure that everything is on your plate because you're paying $5 for this. So be sure to have this one. So This thing is actually really good. Although they like got a few things less on our first plate, the second one made up for it. They were very kind about that. And it's pretty good. I mean, I could eat vegetables like this every day. And then meat on every other day. So that's one. So this was about $5. The good thing is, and I'm trying to reach it here, you have this little passports to what is festival passport. I thought it was only for food and wine. It's also a passport here. And then if you do take those 5, I think it's 5, yes, 5 items from this list. It has to be those exact 5 items. This is one of them. You collect the stamp. If you collect all 5 of them, you get your, what is it? Pineapple promenade. No, you get a complimentary item at Pineapple Promenade. That's it. It's basically a citrus Dole Whip, something like that. We have 4 more to go. Let's do it. And it's starting to rain, so we can finish that until June 1st, so we have some time. So I did got questions about the dining plan here in Walt Disney World. And although I'm not an expert at it, I'm not a big fan of the dining plan here. It is expensive if it's not included in one of your packages, and it's a lot of food. But a good thing is, with the dining plan, you get snack credits. Those snack credits could be a coffee, a Coke, or you can use them here at the festival booths and get a good value for your snack credit, indicated by this little logo, and that's $7. So all of a sudden, your snack credit is worth way more than you would get that coffee or that Coke. So if you want to come and enjoy the festivals, and you do have the dining plan, use your snack credits here. You're going to have an amazing time, and you won't break the bank. Now let's continue our tour. Sun hasn't come out yet. Hoping for the best. Let's continue. Good thing is, if we would get homesick, we always have Paris nearby. And soon, this little chef will get his own ride. And in just a few months, we'll have the Ratatouille ride here in Walt Disney World. And here they just call it Ratatouille. So not even Ratatouille, l'aventure totalement toquée de Rémi. Just keep it simple, Ratatouille. Let's try something from the Florida Fresh. And it's on the list as well, so let's give it a try. And here is our slushie from Florida Fresh. This little slushie is very refreshing. Definitely recommend that. You can also have it with gin. We took the non-alcoholic one. If you want to spice it up, it is possible. So let's try one more dish here in Germany at the Bauernmarkt. And here are the potato pancakes with apple compote on top of it, with an apple mousse from the Bauernmarkt. Basically, I think in Germany, for my German followers, they're called Reibekuchen. Well, let's give them a try. So this is a bit thicker than what this normally is in Germany. Oh, there he goes. But still, it's pretty good. Just a bit thick. Oh, look, some cute pandas here in the China pavilion. Oh. Oh, that makes me want to go back to Paradise to see the real cute baby pandas. Although, weather is better here. Like this guy leading us in to the ride that we're gonna do before we head out of World Showcase. Let's go say hi to Anna and Elsa.
Ready to see Elsa?
So, ride done, day done. Thank you for joining us here at Epcot. Shortly there'll be more videos, so keep an eye out on the channel. We'll be posting more and more. And we're still getting settled, so not everything will come out at the same time, same day, but we're getting there. We're getting there, trust me, it'll be good. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you real soon. Bye, guys.